Hello everyone, it's Lakhan Rajput. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm again taking you inside Haryana Doors and Window Display Center. Here we got incredible solution of door and windows. But today I'm focusing on something super trendy for modern homes, that is aluminium sliding doors. Let's talk about it. So gentlemen, we all know that the struggle of traditional doors, they can take up a lot of space when swinging open and block the sunlight and sometimes feel bulky in the room. The solution is aluminium sliding doors. These innovative doors slide effortlessly on the track and creating a seamless connection between outdoors and indoors. These beauties are modern, slick and incredibly functional. So guys, we will learn about these three sliding doors one by one, and these sliding doors are of the same brand, Alupure. Let's talk about it. So guys, here is Alupure 31mm series 3-track 3-panel with a beautiful mesh, and its height can be up to 8 feet. And here is a basic detail. It have a 75mm slick interlock, 20mm DGU glass, and you will get 10 years of warranty for this sliding door. So next is Alupure Opulent series with dark grey color. It is a beast design because of its shutter size. Its width can be up to 26 feet and height can be up to 15 feet. It have currently 22mm DGU glass and its roller capacity is 400 kg, and you will also get 10 years of warranty with this sliding door. So the third is Alupure Majestic series with 3-track 3-panel with 22mm DGU glass. Its height can be up to 12 feet and width can be up to 5 feet. And its roller capacity is 300 kg. And it will look majestic when you will install it in your home. Let's talk about how. So ready to transfer your home with the sliding doors? Here is what to do. Number 1, visit our Haryana Doors and Window Display Center. Our staff will answer all your questions. Number 2, discuss wide variety of aluminium sliding doors. They offer wide style and size for your home. Number 3, get a free quote and get installation options with our experts. So, wanna experience aluminium sliding doors by yourself? Head down to Haryana Doors Display Center. Thanks for joining me today. And if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe the channel. See you next time.